केंद्रीय कौशल्य विकास राज्यमंत्री राजीव चंद्रशेखर हांच्या हजेरेत 4 जानेराक मडगांवात पीएम विश्वकर्मा योजनेतल्या पहिल्या बॅचाच्या प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रमाचे उक्तावण जातले। एकूण प्रशिक्षणा खातीर 11 सेंटरांची निवड केल्या म्हण मंत्री अलेक्सिक्वेरान माहिती दिल्या। RDXGOA खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
A scheme which is very dear to him, and therefore he has entrusted the task of ensuring the success of this scheme in Goa to our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Dr. Pramod Sawant has taken keen interest, and as of today we have registered 29,000 applicants who fall in various trades. There are 18 trades, and I'm not going to go into the 18 trades. We will distribute you all the details so you can pick it up from there. The objective of the scheme is primarily to enhance the ability of our artisans and craftsmen. The purpose of this scheme, when I say to enhance, is basically first is to recognize the craftsmen and the artisans. Next is to provide them an upgraded skill, to get to them the latest technologies, latest systems by which they can improve or enhance their production facilities. As I said earlier, a collateral-free loan of rupees 1 lakh at 5% interest would be released in the first phase, and rupees 2 lakhs in the second phase. An incentive will also be provided to encourage digital transactions. Therefore, government would grant an amount of rupees 1 per transaction. Besides this, on the fourth, there would also be sort of a mini job fair. Youth who would be interested in jobs are welcome to attend the session. Representatives of industries from Verna Industrial Estate would be present, and they would on the spot be selecting or interviewing you. If found to be suitable, they would pick you up. Besides that, EDC would also be putting up a stall wherein they would announce their various schemes. Youth would be able to approach them and find out whether they are industries or whatever fit it or not, fit into that or not. Besides that, there would also be registration of youth who want to avail of the apprenticeship scheme.
What will be the figure registration till now?
29,000.
29 plus.